Hot Wallet just launched a limited time missions. Here's a quick guide to help you complete it before it's gone. All you have to do is just for you to click on the mission right here. But before that, you can see my hot balance is 5.3 hot that I have. So all I have to do is just to click on this mission tab right here. So after clicking on the mission, as you can see, earn up to 17 hot. Try hot extension, download extension, complete tasks and join group of beta testers to get up to 17 hot. All they ask you to do is just for you to download the extension of hot to your Mrs. browser if you are using your mobile phone. I just have to click on the link right there for me to do that.
So if you are using your mobile phone, all you have to do is after clicking on this download extension, you have to click on download extension and it will take you here. So you click on this download extension link that is here and it will take you to a page like this, and you just have to click on this three icon that's at the top and you click on open in. So you just, if you set your Chrome and Mrs. browser as a default browser, it will take you to your Chrome. If you set your Mrs. as default browser, to take you to your Mrs. browser as well. Any browser you set as default browser will take you to that browser. So I actually set my Chrome as default browser, and for those that set their Chrome at default browser, just continue watching this video. So when it's close to this page, you just have to click on this page that is here, this search bar. You click on the search bar and you just have to click on this copy icon that is here. So after clicking on that copy, you just head straight to your Mrs. browser and you got to paste the link right there. So let me go straight to my Mrs. browser. So I just have to click on this paste of this search bar that's here and paste the link right there, the link I copied. I just have to paste the link right there and search for it, and I'll just allow it to load. So as you can see right here, is showing remove from Chrome because I've already added this Hot Wallet to my Chrome extension, you get. So you won't be showing add to Chrome, you just have to click on it and add it to your Chrome.
So all I have to do is just to click on this download extension right here, and I will click on this download extension link right here. As you can see, import account to the extension will be given 10 hot. For you to do that, they already give you the extension. Open link on your computer, install extension and the Hot Wallet in your browser. So after then, you just have to complete the other mission, which is find one more mission in extension and get extra 7 hot. So I'll just click on this download extension and it will take me straight to my Chrome browser and download the extension. So I will just have to, okay, I've already downloaded the extension right here. I've already added it to the extension, and all I have to do is just to click on it and import my phrase to it, my recovery phrase to the extension. So it's loading. I just have to wait so that I can do that. So I will click on open wallet and it's loading, and I will click on import account. I will click on C phrase and private keys. So all I have to do is just to copy my C phrase to it. So that's it. I've already completed my C phrase to it, so I'll just have to hit on the continue button, and it's already importing my account to it. So I'll just leave it for it to load. It's already loading now, and I will click on continue, and it's importing the account. As you can see right now, this is $0.72, which is I already have in my wallet before. So I will click on storage and click on check news and click on claim out. It's loading. So I will go to the mission icon that is here, and I will just have to click. As you can see, it has loaded already. So I just have to go to my Telegram, and go to my Hot Wallet and click on this claim out. As you can see, the claim out is already here. So I just click on claim out. As you can see, I've already claimed the hot. So let me just go back and check my balance. I'll just have to check my balance right here. Let me go to the home icon. and click on storage. As you can see, it has not added here already. As you can see, it has not added. So let me just refresh the page. Let me just reload the page. So I will go back to the mission icon. It has not added. It has not updated. It has not updated. So after it has already loaded up, after the storage has already been filled, I will just have to claim this alt for my $10 to show. As you can see, for my 10 alt to show, as you can see, it's still showing 5.3 alt here as my balance. So I'll just click on this claim alt right here for it to show the 15 alt. As you can see, the 15 alt has already been shown here. Look, as you can see, the 15 alt is already shown here. 15 alt, as you can see already, 15 alt. So you just have to leave your own for it to be filled before you actually click on that claim button, so that you will actually receive yours. So that's it. Complete the mission while it's still active. Like, subscribe and check back for more crypto updates and quick tutorials.